It was definitely a lot of nerves, as you would probably expect to hear. I was actually originally planning to propose to her in Paris. We were doing a trip out there last September. Um, but she kind of heard through the grapevine that it was kind of be expected that I would propose there. So I had to make it a surprise, of course. So I made some alternate plans and I actually ended up proposing to her in Maine. It's a place I visit every summer since I can remember. It's my grandparents live up there. So she was coming with us to visit them as we do every year. And I just figured like that was a place that was super special to me. And I thought it made a lot more sense to propose to her there. And so I popped the question on a footbridge and it was the Atlantic Ocean that was looking out. And it was just a perfect day for it. And yeah, I just remember my twin brother dropping us off and we were just walking along the footbridge and I just like, I couldn't even think at that time. I just like all my thoughts just went out. I just like it almost just felt it just didn't feel real for a second. And I like gave whatever speech I can barely remember at this point, but all I really remember is going down on one knee and asking the question and just seeing her tear up and say yes. And it was just one of the best moments of my life.